Hi everyone, we're just going to do a quick review of the MLA quiz you took last week. So question number 1, you're quoting from page 371 of an article called Fun with MLA by Tom Baker. So your in-text citation should look like this. Many of you are still doing this one, where you have a comma, so you need to remove the comma, and the period will go after the second parentheses. So if there was no author, then it would be the title listed here, like you have in options A and D. Question 2, which is correct for a typical in-text citation, so this is connected to the first question. If it's not in block format and you're just writing it in the middle of a paragraph, it should look exactly like number 1. The only other option would be if you wanted to include Baker here, you could. But often, if you're citing multiple times in a paragraph the same author, you just need to write the page and a period after the page number. So the period shouldn't be inside the quotation marks. It shouldn't appear with quotation marks outside. And in this case, it shouldn't just list the title. Question 3, how should it be spaced? And this was on the MLA handout as well from Purdue Center. And an MLA paper is spaced double throughout. If the article you're citing is Fun with MLA but has no author, the in-text should look like this. So if Baker was not the author, you would cite the title both in your the body of your paper but also in your works cited page. And finally, if you're looking at a DVD of Breakfast of Tiffany's, you would cite it like this. And again, this was another handout, but just making sure that you look up how to cite sources that you maybe are citing for the first time, haven't looked for. But in this case, you would list the title first, the director, performers, the year, the studio, and finally the type of format, which is DVD. In the second example, it lists the director first, which is incorrect. And in this, it doesn't tell what kind of format it is. This lists it as a film, which it is a DVD. So those are the explanations for the responses. If you have any questions, just send me an email. We can go over your responses individually. But these results will be available now that the quiz has closed.